Well, here we go. More progress today. I've got the entire windshield assembly ready to go. Brand new glass, brand new gaskets. All of the parts are powder coated. All new hardware. Everything is nicely greased in there. And yeah, our tachometer is ready to be hooked up as soon as the windshield goes up in the unit. So stay tuned. It's gonna be soon. It's going in. Anyway, I'm very happy with the results. Hopefully everything else goes the same way. It's been interesting. So yeah, let's go.